Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into the world of carton machinery. Today, we'll be diving into the workflow of Flexo folder gluer, a crucial component in the carton production process. The first step in the process is the feeding of the printed material into the machine. The material is carefully guided through the machine, ensuring that it stays aligned and straight as it moves through the various stages of the folding process. Once the material is fed into the machine, it goes through a series of folding stages. The machine uses precision folding techniques to create the desired folds in the material, whether it's a simple fold or a more complex multi-panel fold. After the material has been folded, it moves on to the cutting stage. The machine uses sharp blades to trim the material to the correct size, ensuring that each piece is uniform and precise. This is a crucial step in the process, as it ensures that the final product meets the required specifications. Finally, the folded and cut material is stacked and prepared for further processing or packaging. The machine carefully stacks the finished pieces, ready for the next stage of production. This ensures that the final product is neatly organized and ready for distribution. And there you have it. That's a brief process of how a Flexo folder gluer works. It's a complex and precise process, but it's essential for the production of high-quality packaging materials. After dive into the world of Flexo folder gluer, let's take a moment to introduce our company. HRB Pack Group Company Ltd are a leading producer and seller of Euro standard carton machinery, catering to global customers. Our main goal is to provide more stable and cost-effective machines, ensuring that all customers can acquire the best carton machines without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out HRB Pack for all your casemaker needs. We look forward to sharing more insights of carton machinery with you in the future. See you next time.